Hello dear students, in this video we will be learning the concept of addition of signed values. We will be using this concept for numbers as well as for algebraic expression. So these are the rules. If you add two positive number, the final answer will be positive. For example, uh, 3 plus 4. What is that? 7. The 3 is actually positive 3, 4 is actually positive 4. So a positive value and a positive value is added, we are getting a positive answer. This is the first thing. And second thing, if you add two negative values, you will be getting a negative answer. So the concept is like negative 2, okay, plus negative 3, okay. So when we technically say the theory side, we can directly write like what? Add them and put a negative sign. So 2 plus 3 it is 5 and you have to put the negative sign. Negative 5. Because both numbers are negative, add them and put the negative sign. That is a rule. In another way you can say, because a positive and negative is coming closer, what it will become positive into negative, so it will be negative. So negative 2 minus negative 3, it is negative 5. In either one of the concept you can follow. So basically for the first two things you have to understand, if you add positive numbers your answer will be positive, if you add two negative numbers your final answer will be negative. Now coming to the other cases, negative number is added with a positive number. Okay, for that we have a rule. In such case, first you have to deal with these two signs. Okay, so for an example, we can take an example. So if it is negative 5 plus positive 3, positive 3 and just written like 3. Okay, so first we have to deal with these signs. So when two positive signs are coming, it will be positive. So negative 5 plus 3. Now we have to consider one thing. What we have to do? Do the bigger number minus smaller number, then put the sign of bigger number. So bigger number is 5, smaller number is 3. So 5 minus 3. What is 5 minus 3? It is 2. But what is the sign of bigger number? That is negative. So answer will be negative 2. We will try one more example. If it is negative 10 plus 2, which is positive 2. Okay, so first we'll have to consider these two signs. So it is becoming negative 10 plus 2. Now bigger number minus smaller number, you do that thing. What is the bigger number minus smaller number? 10 minus 2 is 8. What is the sign of bigger number? It is minus, so answer will be minus 8. Okay, similarly the other case, when a positive number is added with a negative number, again we have to do the same thing. If it is 10 plus minus 3, okay, if this is the situation, first we have to deal with these two signs. Okay, so 10 plus minus 3 means actually it is positive 10 plus minus 3. So these plus and minus will become what? Minus. So it will become 10 minus 3. So our logic is what? Bigger number minus smaller number and sign of the bigger number. So what is bigger number minus smaller number? 10 minus 3 is 7. What, which is the bigger number? 10. So positive 7 is our answer. So we will try one more question like this. So if it is positive 7 plus negative 2. So first you have to deal these two signs. So it will be positive 7 minus what? 2. Now Bigger number minus smaller number 5. What is the sign of bigger number? Plus. This is the concept. So in the next video we'll be checking the rules of subtraction. See you in another video.